Hello everyone, welcome to part 40 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Oh man, this is exciting stuff. Here we are in part 40, and this one is an interesting one. He goes into the idea of let's practice giving without receiving. Let's give anonymous gifts to people. Let's pay like the toll for the car behind it, us two. Like say, okay, like tolls, $1.50, here's like... Here's like $3. I have the next car behind me just go through. He has this idea that we should give without receiving and that this gives us a lot of bliss. Now, Stuart Wilde may have a slightly different idea. I know I bring him up a lot in this series, but he's one of my other favorites that I just think of with some of this kind of material. And he really has this idea of we need to practice receiving better, because a lot of people are such bad receivers. They're like, oh, I can't accept this, blah, 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 blah. Instead, Wayne Dyer is saying we should practice giving. People are not giving enough. They should practice just giving to others and helping the world. Now, this is a little debatable. I mean, giving makes you feel good. It gives you a sense of, like, feeling really good. And the more you give to other people, the more your subconscious mind feels like giving to you. So it's kind of like if you give somebody $1, your subconscious mind may easily want to give you $100 with a new idea or some, like, brilliant insight. And that's kind of the idea of just giving without receiving. Now, from a subconscious perspective on that, it really makes a lot of sense. That when you give stuff to others, your subconscious mind's like, the world is a world of giving and receiving. It's a wonderful game of that. And wants to give you a bunch for having given. And that's kind of an idea there. Also, the more you give things to people, if they actually did know who you are, then they would want to give back. But he's saying you don't need that. You can just get it from the subconscious mind. Give and don't receive. Now, a little debatable. Giving and receiving makes sense. That can be useful. You'll naturally receive when you give from the subconscious mind. That's also useful. So, however you want to do it, whatever gets you to give to anyone for anything, it always just seems good to me. That's about it for part 40. Maybe not too deep like an idea there, but that's just kind of how I see it, how I feel about it, and I think it's pretty simple. Let me know how you guys feel about it, and I will see you guys next time with part 41. So, stay tuned.